Okay, let's say we want to deploy this our HTML project. Let us look at how it looks like on the browser. So we want to deploy this project on a server so that we can view it on a mobile phone and every other places we have, every other phone from all over around the world. So I'm going to try deploy this project now using Netlify. So what we're going to do is that you can head over to Netlify, then click on sign up. Sign up with an email. Okay, let me choose a mail which I can use, and choose any password of yours that you know you can remember. Hit sign up. So Netlify will say you should check your mail. So head over to your mail. My mail is already open. So before it is it's been opened. So I'll just click on it. You see you're nearly there. Verify your email to log in and get started. Just click on it. It will direct you back to Netlify. Okay. You just have to hold on a little while. So it's going to ask you some kind of questions like this. Tell us about yourself. I'm using Netlify for personal use. I am a freelancer. My first project will be personal portfolio site. Personalize your theme and space. Let's call it code with Michael. Let's say set up and continue. So now it's going to tell you just what, deploy your first project. You can import from my existing project from your GitHub or from template, but let's just import manually. So you can skip it. You're not ready to deploy. Let me show you what it looks like. Once you skip it, it's going to bring you down to this page. So this is the page is going to bring you down to once you skip it. Okay. So now you can either click on drag and drop a folder here, or you can just do it from here. And now the project I want to deploy is on my desktop. Okay, here's the project. Just click on the folder. You don't have to go through this thing. Just click on the main folder itself. Upload. This will upload all files from new crew project. Only do this if you trust this site. Yes, I trust this site. So just hold on for a little while, okay? So it will say deploy your site. You see it. It says set up a custom domain. No, we don't. I don't have a custom domain. I just want to use a subdomain from Netlify. So now this is your link. Just click on to rename this link to whatever you want. Click on site setting. Come down, change site name. So this is the useless link. Now let us name it to what we want. Let's name it to code with Michael site. So save. Once you save this now, it will automatically change. Can you see? Now we can click on this stuff. It will redirect us to this browser. You see now we are no more on our index.html. Now we are now on our code with Michael site.netlify.app, and we have a SSL that to show that this site is secured. Okay, so with this you can send anyone your link. You can just copy the link and just go to any part of the browser, control paste, and hit enter. You see it, just that is so simple. So that's how to do it. Okay,